Are you ready to discover 5 genius parenting hacks that will make your life as a new parent smoother and more enjoyable? Stick around because these tips might just change your parenting game forever. Let's start with organizing your diaper changing station. Trust us, keeping everything you need within arm's reach can be a real game changer. Use a caddy or organizer to store diapers, wipes, creams, and spare clothes. Label bins for quick access during those inevitable messy moments. And don't forget a trash bin nearby for easy disposal. This keeps everything clean and hygienic. Consider using color-coded labels for even faster identification. For example, green for creams and ointments, blue for wipes, and yellow for diapers. Maximize your space with wall-mounted storage or over-the-door organizers. These are perfect for holding extra supplies without cluttering your changing table. Next up, meal prep. Cooking in bulk and freezing portions can be a lifesaver. Spend a day cooking large batches of baby-friendly meals, then freeze them in ice cube trays. You'll always have nutritious meals ready to heat and serve. A good blender or food processor designed for baby food can make this even easier. Puree a variety of fruits and vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, apples, and peas. Once frozen, you can mix and match cubes to create new flavors and keep meals interesting. Involve your baby in the process to help develop their palate and encourage healthy eating habits from a young age. Introduce different textures and colors to make mealtime fun and engaging. White noise machines are magic for sleep time. These machines mimic soothing sounds that help your baby sleep better. Use it consistently as part of the bedtime routine. Experiment with different sounds like ocean waves, rainfall, or gentle lullabies to find what works best for your baby. Some machines offer adjustable volume and timer settings, allowing you to customize the sound environment. Use the white noise machine not just at night, but also during nap time to create a consistent and soothing sleep environment. This helps your baby associate the sound with sleep, making it easier for them to drift off and stay asleep. Baby wearing is fantastic for keeping your baby close while staying hands-free. Invest in a comfortable, supportive baby carrier. This not only promotes bonding but also frees up your hands for other tasks. Plus, it's great for your posture and reduces strain compared to carrying your baby in your arms. Whether you're doing household chores or running errands, baby wearing allows you to keep your baby close and secure while getting things done. It provides a sense of freedom and flexibility in your daily activities. Choose a carrier that offers proper support for your baby's developing spine and hips. Practice using it safely and securely before venturing out, and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Make sure your baby is held in an ergonomic position to support their spine and hips. The M position, where their knees are higher than their bottom, is ideal for proper hip development. Finally, let's talk bedtime routines. A consistent routine can work wonders. Start about 30 minutes before bed with a warm bath, followed by a calming activity like a gentle massage or bedtime story. This helps your baby unwind and signals that it's time to sleep. Use a gentle baby-safe lotion or oil to massage your baby's skin, paying special attention to areas like their back, arms, and legs. This can help release any remaining tension and promote relaxation. Next, move on to quiet activities like reading a bedtime story or singing a lullaby. Choose books with simple, soothing illustrations and soft melodies to help your baby wind down. Finally, finish your bedtime routine by putting your baby down to sleep in their crib or bassinet. Dim the lights, play soft music or white noise if desired, and give your baby a gentle kiss goodnight before leaving the room. By following a consistent bedtime routine, you can help your baby learn to associate these calming activities with sleep, making bedtime a more peaceful and enjoyable experience for both of you. There you have it! 5 genius parenting hacks to make life with your little one a bit easier. We hope these tips bring simplicity and joy to your parenting journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable parenting advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.